I'm Josh Propp, the Director of Product Development. Today, we're going to talk about cleaning. So let's get started. Today, we're in the gymnasium, for the gym is a host of all sorts of germs and microbes. As you see, we have here our medicine ball, which gets a lot of contact, and we're going to use it today for our demonstration. We use this simple solution, which is 25% Woolite, mild detergent, and 75% H2O or water. Let's start first by applying the solution to the microfiber, and then thoroughly wiping down the product. For larger projects, you can always apply the solution directly to the fabric. With this safe solution, you can clean your product after every use or as needed. But we do recommend for cleaners outside of this that you test it in an inconspicuous area to ensure there isn't any negative impact on the vinyl. If you have cleaning solutions you've used in the past and you find that they're successful, well, we'd love to hear from you. Or if you have a cleaning solution that you'd like to know more about, well, let us know and we can run it through our test protocol. Also, with the concern of COVID-19, we do have recommended and approved products that we can share with you. We really appreciate you stopping by Vinyl Talk in 90 seconds or less. Please check out our channel. Thank you.